Good morning, Wildcats. Another math lesson this morning. We're going to look at adding three add-ins. So the essential question is, how do you add three numbers? And we're going to look at a couple different ideas and then do a little bit of problem solving. So I'm super excited about this lesson. The first one is write the sums for each pair of add-ins. So to be clear, when we add two numbers, the numbers that we're adding are called add-ins. And there can be more than two. The answer is called the sum. So let's look at the sum of these. 2 plus 6, write it down, 8. 3 plus 3, say it out loud, 6. And 5 plus 4, 9. I really want to encourage everyone to do extra math every day during this chapter 3. It will really help. The faster you get at solving these, the more efficient you'll be and the more fun some of the math problems can be. All right, so what we're going to look at right now is that you can group numbers in different ways to add them, which basically just means you don't have to add the numbers in the order that they're written to get the correct answer. You can add when you have three add-ins, you can add them up in any order you want. And here's a couple of examples. 3 plus 2 plus 7 equals what? You could add 3 plus 2 first and get 5, and then add the 7 to get 12. Or you could change it so that it's 3 plus 2 plus 7 equals what? The 2 plus 7 equals 9, and 3 plus 9 equals 12. And then for some people, like me, I love looking for combinations of 10. So 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 2 more also equals 12. So we did this problem in three different orders, but the answer or the sum stayed the same every time. It doesn't matter the order that we group those numbers in. It does not change the sum. All right, let's look at another slide. This one says solve two ways. Circle the add-ins that you add first. So don't skip that step. Circle them. So on this one, let's add the first two together. And we'll do it just like they did on the previous page. 4 plus 1 is 5. Plus 6. Ooh, if I use my neighbor strategy, 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus 1 more is 11. I could do it that way to get 11. Or I could add the last two numbers. Plus 1 strategy is another one of my favorites. 6 plus 1 is 7. Add 4 more. And that's going to equal 11 as well. So it doesn't matter the order that I add them in, the sum will stay the same. Okay, let's try another. Solve two ways, circle the two add-ins you add first. So in this one, let's do the first two. 4 plus 3, kind of a neighbor strategy. It's almost a double. 4 plus 4 would be 8. 1 less would be 7. So 7 plus 3, and that gives me a good combination of 10 strategy. 7 plus 3 is 10. Now over here, let's do the last two numbers, double strategy. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. The order did not change the sum. I was going to show you one more slide. So sometimes the problems are written vertically, up and down like these, and sometimes they're written horizontally, side to side. It doesn't matter. You still have lots of space to do your work. Let's look at adding these numbers, 5 plus 3 plus 4. Let's add the first two first. 5 plus 3, let's use a counting on strategy. 5, 6, 7, 8. And the same for 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we'll add the first two numbers and then add the 4. But in the second example, let's add the last two numbers. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 5 more, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Doesn't matter the order that we add them, the answer stays the same. All right, good luck on your math today.